In the previous lecture, we have seen how to create list view API. Now, in this lecture, we'll see how to create update views API. So, for the update view, we can create it from the here itself. Okay, so here is the update API view. Okay, fine. So, lookup field and just go to the terminal and not terminal but browser update. Okay, we need to specify our ID of updation, so I am specifying 12 over here. Update. Okay, so here we don't have the data of this 12 ID, but if we go to the admin, this is the 15 and demo book has the 15. Okay, 14 and demo has 12 ID. Okay, fine. So this is demo, author test 18 and 120. Fine. So we need to update it. Demo update, then author update, then again date. Okay, fine, and 500. So put. Okay, so let's just refresh it, and yes, it has updated. So this value is updated, and what if we want this data just like 15 ID, and I want the 15 ID's data, that means which is this one book, so not book but demo book. Okay, so I want this data to field over here and I change it. So for that, instead of update view, we need to retrieve the data. So we need to define retrieve of data API view. Okay, fine. So just copy this. We need to obviously import it, and okay, fine, that should be fine. Refresh it. Okay, great, we got the data over here. Okay, so now we can update and something like that. Okay, put. Okay, just put this, and great, we can update the book. Fine. So this is how we can update the existing API using retrieve update API view or update API view. Fine. So now we'll see the delete API view, delete view, so that we can delete the API if we want. Okay, so for that we need to use the serializer, and I'm just copying this. To make this different, serializer is important because if I want only particular serializer view, so just detail view, just list view, just create view, so that we can fetch it easily. If we create only one serializer, then we cannot fetch it separately. So this is important, so make a note of it. Okay, delete. Fine, and just go to the view, delete serializer, just copy this and just paste it over here. Okay, fine, I'm just copying this, update view, paste it over here, delete, and instead of retrieve update view, we need the API view which is called destroy API view. Destroy API view. Okay, fine. So we need to pass it over here. Destroy API view, and admin user can destroy only the API. And after that, we need to import this into the URL. So just paste it over here, and just remove this comment, delete API view. Okay, fine, great. Save this and just go to the browser and instead of update I want to delete it. Okay, fine. Yes, if I click on delete, are you sure you want to delete? Yes, delete. Fine, it has been deleted. And if I go to the 15 ID, it shows me details not found. Great, fine. So this is how we can create REST APIs of our application or project, whatever you want. If you want to create your own APIs, you can create it very easily through Django REST framework. Okay, so this is how you can create your project with views, URLs, templates, APIs, and so on. So if you have any doubt, let us know. Otherwise, keep going. We have seen how to create update views API. In next lecture, we'll see how to create delete view API.